Post Office English Dialogues. Complete English Lesson. Welcome to Native Speakers Channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to Native Speakers Channel. I'm Johnny and I'm so glad you're here with me today. In today's lesson, we're going to explore something really practical that you'll definitely need if you're living, working, or traveling in an English-speaking country. Post Office English Dialogues. Whether you need to mail a package to your family back home, send an important document, or pick up a parcel, knowing the right vocabulary and phrases will make your post office experience smooth and stress-free. We'll cover everything from basic transactions to more complex situations, so stick around. Let's get started. Understanding the post office. Before we dive into the dialogues, let's familiarize ourselves with some essential vocabulary you'll encounter at the post office. Key vocabulary: mail, post, letters, packages, and parcels sent through the postal system. Package or parcel, a box or wrapped item being sent by mail. Envelope, a paper container for letters. Stamp, a small adhesive label showing postage payment. Postage, the cost of sending mail. Priority mail, faster delivery service, usually 1 to 3 days. Express mail, the fastest delivery option. Standard or regular mail, regular speed delivery, less expensive. Registered mail, mail with tracking and insurance. Certified mail, mail with proof of delivery. Tracking number, a code to track your package's location. P.O. box, post office box, a locked mailbox at the post office. Zip code or postal code, numbers identifying a delivery area. Return address, the sender's address on the envelope or package. Destination address, where the mail is going. Fragile, items that break easily. Insurance, protection against loss or damage. Customs form, required document for international mail. Postmark, official stamp showing date and location of mailing. Dialogue 1. Sending a letter, basic transaction. Good morning. I'd like to send this letter to New York, please. Good morning. Is it going domestically within the United States? Yes, it is. Okay, for a standard letter like this, you'll need one first-class stamp. That'll be 68 cents. Perfect. Can I buy the stamp here? Absolutely. Would you like just one stamp, or would you like to purchase a book of stamps? How many stamps come in a book? A book contains 20 stamps and it costs $13.60. I'll take a book, please. I send letters pretty regularly. Great choice. That'll save you trips. Here you go. Anything else I can help you with today? No, that's everything. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a great day. Dialogue 2. Mailing a package domestically. Hi there. I need to mail this package to my sister in California. Sure thing. Let me weigh it for you. Can you place it on the scale, please? Of course. Here you go. All right. It weighs about 3 pounds. What type of service would you like? We have priority mail, which takes 2 to 3 days, or standard post, which takes 5 to 7 business days. What's the price difference? Priority mail would be $15.50 and standard post would be $8.75. It's not urgent. I'll go with standard post, please. Perfect. Does the package contain anything fragile, liquid, perishable, hazardous, or of high value? No, just some clothes and books. Would you like to add insurance? For this package, it would be an additional $2.50 to insure it up to $100. Yes, I'd like to add insurance just to be safe. Good idea. So your total is $11.25. You'll also get a tracking number so you can monitor its progress online. That's great. How do I track it? I'll give you a receipt with the tracking number. You can go to our website and enter the number to see where your package is at any time. Perfect. Here's my card. Thank you. Here's your receipt. Your package should arrive within 5 to 7 business days. Thank you so much for your help. Dialogue 3. International Shipping. Hello, I need to send this package to Japan. Certainly. For international shipments, you'll need to fill out a customs form. Have you done that yet? No, I haven't. What information do I need to provide? You'll need to list the contents of the package, the value of each item, and the total value. You'll also need to indicate whether it's a gift, merchandise, or personal items. Here's the form. Okay, let me fill this out. It's a birthday gift for my friend, some specialty coffee, and a book. The total value is about $45. Perfect. Let me weigh your package. It's 4 pounds. For Japan, we have a few options. First Class Package International takes about 2 to 3 weeks and costs $38. Priority Mail International takes 6 to 10 business days and costs $75. And Priority Mail Express International, our fastest option, takes 3 to 5 business days and costs $110. Wow, that's quite a range. The birthday is in 3 weeks, so the first class option should work fine. That should be perfect timing then. Would you like to add insurance? For international shipments to Japan, insurance costs about $5 for coverage up to $100. Yes, please add that. Better safe than sorry with international mail. Absolutely. Let me just check your customs form. Everything looks good. Your total comes to $43. You'll receive a tracking number, though I should mention that tracking for First Class International is sometimes limited once it enters the destination country. That's okay. Do I need to do anything else? Nope, you're all set. Make sure the address is clearly written. It typically takes 2 to 3 weeks, but customs processing can sometimes add a few extra days. Understood. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly. You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Dialogue 4. Picking up a package. Customer. Hi, I received a notice that I have a package to pick up. Postal clerk. Yes, certainly. Do you have the notice slip with you? Yes, here it is. Great. And I'll need to see a photo ID as well, please. Sure. Here's my driver's license. Perfect. Let me go grab your package from the back. It'll just take a moment. Clerk returns with package. Here you go. Can you sign here, please? Of course. By the way, why wasn't it delivered to my house? Let me check. It looks like a signature was required, and no one was home when the carrier attempted delivery yesterday. Oh, I see. That makes sense. I was at work all day. If this happens frequently, you might consider getting a P.O. box here at the post office, or you could authorize the carrier to leave packages without a signature. How do I authorize that? You can sign up for Informed Delivery on our website. It lets you preview your mail, manage package deliveries, and give delivery instructions. That sounds really convenient. I'll look into that. Thank you. You're welcome. Enjoy your package. Dialogue 5. Returning an item. Excuse me, I need to return this item to an online retailer. They gave me a prepaid shipping label. No problem. Do you have the label with you? Yes, here it is. Do I need to attach it to the package? Let me see it. Okay, this is a QR code label. You don't need to print anything. I can scan this code and we'll print the label here and attach it to your package. Oh, that's convenient. I didn't have a printer at home. Yes, it makes returns much easier. Let me scan this. Perfect. The label is printing now. Do you want to insure the package or add any extra services? The return is already prepaid, right? Do I owe anything? That's correct. The retailer has already paid for the return shipping, so you don't owe anything unless you want to add insurance or require a receipt. I'd like a receipt, just to have proof that I dropped it off. Smart thinking. Here's your receipt with a tracking number. You can track the return on our website or the retailer's website. How long will it take to get there? According to the label, it's going via priority mail, so it should arrive within 2 to 3 business days. Excellent. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Dialogue 6. Renting a P.O. Box. Hello, I'm interested in renting a P.O. box. Can you tell me about that? Absolutely. P.O. boxes are great if you want a secure place to receive mail or if you don't have a permanent address. They're also useful for small businesses. How much does it cost? The price depends on the size and the rental period. For a small box, it's $60 for 6 months or $110 for a year. Medium boxes are $80 for 6 months or $150 for a year. Large boxes are $120 for 6 months or $220 for a year. What's the difference in size? Small boxes are about 3 inches by 5.5 inches, good for letters and small packages. Medium boxes are about 5.5 inches by 11 inches. They can hold larger envelopes and small parcels. Large boxes are about 11 inches by 11 inches. Great if you receive a lot of packages. I mostly receive letters and occasionally small packages. A small box should work. Perfect. To set up a P.O. box, I'll need 2 forms of identification. One must be a photo ID, like a driver's license or passport, and the other can be a utility bill, bank statement, or another document with your current address. I have my driver's license and a utility bill. Will those work? Those are perfect. Let me get you set up. You'll receive 2 keys for your box, and you can access it during our lobby hours, which are from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day. What happens if I receive a package that's too big for the box? We'll leave a notice in your box, and you can pick up the package at the counter during business hours, just like you did earlier. That works for me. I'll take a small box for 1 year, please. Excellent. That'll be $110. Your box number is 342. Here are your keys. Don't lose them because replacement keys cost $25 each. I'll be careful. Thank you so much. Common phrases and expressions. Here are some useful phrases you'll hear and use at the post office. What you might say. I'd like to mail this package, please. How much does it cost to send this to destination? What's the fastest or cheapest way to send this? I need to send this by specific date. Can I get a tracking number? I'd like to insure this package. Do you have any boxes or envelopes available? I need to pick up a package. Can I schedule a pickup? What the postal clerk might say. Can you place it on the scale? What's inside the package? Does it contain anything fragile, hazardous, or liquid? Would you like insurance? Do you need a receipt? How would you like to pay? It should arrive within time frame. I'll need to see ID. Please sign here. Tips for using the post office.
Prepare your package beforehand. Have your package securely wrapped and sealed before arriving. This saves time and helps the line move faster. Bring multiple forms of ID. If you're picking up packages or opening a P.O. box, having extra identification makes the process smoother. Know your destination address. Make sure the address is complete and correct, including zip codes and country names for international mail. Ask about options. Don't be afraid to ask about different shipping speeds and prices. Postal clerks are there to help you find the best option. Save your receipt. Always keep your receipt and tracking number until the package is confirmed delivered. Consider online services. Many postal services now offer online postage, package pickup scheduling, and tracking through their websites or apps. Check size and weight restrictions. International shipments and different service levels have specific restrictions. Declare contents honestly. Especially for international shipments, always accurately declare what's in your package. Practice exercise. Now it's your turn. Try creating your own dialogue using these scenarios. Scenario 1. You need to send a birthday card to a friend in another state. Scenario 2. You're mailing important documents that need to arrive within 2 days. Scenario 3. You're picking up a package but forgot your ID. Scenario 4. You need to send a fragile item internationally. Practice these scenarios out loud, playing both roles. This will help you feel more confident when you actually visit the post office. Congratulations! You now have all the essential vocabulary and phrases you need to confidently handle any situation at the post office. Remember, postal workers are there to help you, so don't hesitate to ask questions if you're unsure about anything. The key to mastering these dialogues is practice. Try using these phrases next time you visit the post office, or practice with a friend or language partner. The more you use this vocabulary, the more natural it will become. Thank you so much for joining me today on Native Speakers Channel. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical English lessons. Drop a comment below and let me know what topic you'd like me to cover next. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson. This is Johnny, signing off. Take care, everyone.